So I had discovered HomeWrights a few years ago as we were looking for home building sites to build a house. Met Bob, talked to him about a few projects that never came to fruition. And then when my wife and I bought this project with the intent of doing a major remodel in addition, talked to Bob again, and he decided that even though their normal business model is new builds, that this was going to be enough new that it would fall under HomeWrights type of projects. And so we just decided to hire them. And so they act as our construction management help. General contracting help, so that I can act as the general contractor, but they provide all the resources for me to have a list of subcontractors who are used to working under this business model, help with pricing, making sure that I as the homeowner don't screw anything up by not calling inspections at the right time, that kind of thing.
So they keep you on track.
Exactly, yep.
Yeah. If somebody else you know was thinking about building a custom home, what would you tell them they should know about HomeWrights?
They provide a lot of help for people who don't know where to go for the right information, and I would just recommend that make sure you've got a lot of time on your hands before you take on this role, because you're going to probably not have time for a full-time job and to build your own house at the same time. That's the lesson learned right there, is make sure you've got the time to invest.
You're going to get paid either in equity, or if you flip it, I guess you'll make some more money than you would if you just let somebody else build it for you, right?
Absolutely, yep. So by my calculations, what it cost me to build the house through HomeWrights was maybe about half of what a general contractor's markup would have been.